Welcome back to Vintage American Cars. Today, we've gathered another amazing lineup. 10 classic cars for sale on Craigslist, each with its own story and timeless charm. Let's jump right in. 1. 1966 Rambler American Rogue 290 V8, $27,995, Lansing, North Carolina. This rare 1966.5 Rambler American Rogue is one of just 1,700 special edition models produced by AMC, making it a true collectible. Painted in striking Apollo yellow with classic black accents, this car was built to showcase AMC's brand new 290 V8 engine, which in 1966 was only offered in the American models. By 1967, the V8 was spread across all AMC lines, making this one-year edition even more desirable. With just 58,396 believed original miles, this Rogue comes loaded with features like power steering, power brakes, split seats with a buddy armrest, and a factory AM radio that still works perfectly. The seller added tasteful upgrades like tachometer, oil pressure gauge, and voltage gauge, plus Hurst wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich Silvertown Redline tires. The car is rust-free, beautifully maintained, and even the underside is spotless. For collectors of unique American classics, this Rogue is a piece of AMC history you won't see often. Number 2. 1968 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible, $20,000, Hernando. Here's a chance to own a first-year C3 Corvette convertible at an attractive price point. This 1968 Vette comes with a numbers-matching 327 engine producing 350 horsepower, paired with an automatic transmission. It includes both a new convertible soft top, ready to be installed, and the original hardtop for versatility. While it needs some brake work and the gas tank leaks, this Corvette represents a great opportunity to bring an iconic muscle-era convertible back to top condition. With its sleek body lines and legendary small-block V8, the 1968 Corvette continues to be one of the most recognizable and desirable American sports cars. 3. 1973 Ford Mustang Convertible, $29,500. If you've been looking for a Mustang that feels like stepping back into the showroom, this 1973 Mustang Convertible is it. Finished in a gorgeous blue exterior with matching dark blue interior, this car is said to be all original, right down to the factory engine stickers that remain in place. With only 59,000 miles, it runs and drives like new, offering the smooth reliability Ford was known for. As one of the last of the early Mustang convertibles before the oil crisis reshaped the market, this 73 model represents the end of an era. It's a perfect weekend cruiser with timeless styling and open-air fun. 4. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, $14,500, Trenton, Florida. This 1966 Ford Mustang is an affordable way to enjoy one of the most beloved classics of all time. Powered by a reliable 200 cubic inch six-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, it even comes with factory air conditioning, rare for the time. With just over 73,000 miles, the car runs great and could easily serve as a daily driver. The paint and body remain in good condition, making this a turnkey classic you can enjoy right away. For under $15,000, it's a great entry point for first-time collectors or anyone who simply wants the Mustang experience without breaking the bank. 5. 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LT, $19,500. Chevrolet's Monte Carlo was introduced as a personal luxury coupe, combining style with performance, and this 1972 LT edition captures that spirit. It's powered by a built 350 engine with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, paired to a 3.42 posi rear end. The car has been refreshed with new parts including a battery, mirrors, water pump, flex plate, torque converter, and air shocks. Finished in a gold exterior with a black interior, this Monte Carlo runs strong and has been meticulously maintained. Affordable, stylish, and practical, it represents an excellent mix of muscle car energy and luxury cruising. 6. 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Sedan, $10,200. Here's an affordable entry into the Oldsmobile lineup, a 1971 Cutlass Sedan with just over 81,000 miles. Powered by a 350 two-barrel engine and automatic transmission, this car runs smoothly and comes with extra parts, including valve cover gaskets, weather stripping, and even a brand new 442 rear bumper still in its packaging. The Cutlass was one of Oldsmobile's most successful models in the early 70s, offering comfort, style, and reliability. For collectors on a budget, this is a great way to own a piece of American automotive history without overspending. 7. 1972 Plymouth Valiant Scamp, $12,500, Waterford. This 1972 Plymouth Valiant Scamp is a classic Mopar compact with a little extra punch. It features a 318 V8 with a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor, paired to a 904A automatic transmission. The car's white exterior with vinyl roof gives it a clean, period-correct look. While the vinyl top shows some wear near the rear glass, the car remains solid overall with driver-quality paint. Extra parts come with the sale, and the seller is even open to trades for mid-60s Mustangs or other classics. Affordable, fun, and versatile, the Scamp delivers vintage Mopar character in a smaller, budget-friendly package. 8. 1966 Pontiac Catalina, $22,000, Kingsley. This 1966 Pontiac Catalina offers full-size muscle car performance with some serious upgrades. Under the hood is a 1968 Bonneville 400 CI engine making 340 horsepower, paired with a Muncie 4-speed transmission and a 12-bolt safety track differential with 3.55 gears. It also comes with Doug's headers and a Holly Street Avenger carb, making it a true performance cruiser. With just 70,000 miles, this Catalina blends classic Pontiac styling with muscle car power. Big, bold, and ready for the road, it's a fantastic option for enthusiasts looking for something unique outside the GTO and Firebird lineup. 9. 1964 Cadillac Fleetwood Series 60, $12,888, Ashland. This 1964 Cadillac Fleetwood Series 60 offers full-size American luxury with some modern updates. It's powered by the original 429 engine with automatic transmission, upgraded with a Holly Sniper EFI fuel injection system for smoother performance and reliability. Recently serviced with new brake lines, shocks, bushings, and more, it drives confidently despite being nearly 60 years old. The interior is mostly complete, and while the headliner and trunk trim are missing, all the power options work, including all 8 windows and the power seat.
At under $13,000, this Fleetwood provides a lot of car for the money, perfect for someone who loves Cadillac presence and wants a reliable cruiser.
10. 1957 Chrysler Windsor, $17,500, Houston, Texas. Finally, we have a mid-century beauty, the 1957 Chrysler Windsor, finished in its original shell pink paint. Powered by the factory 354 V8 with push-button automatic transmission, this car is a true time capsule. The original interior is still intact, even with the dealer-installed plastic seat covers from 1957 still in place. It comes with documentation, including the original sales invoice and owner's manual, making it a collector's dream. Recently refreshed with new tires, fuel lines, brakes, and exhaust, the car runs and drives great. For fans of late 50s Chrysler styling, this Windsor is a rare and well-documented find at a very fair price.
That wraps up today's list of incredible classic cars. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vintage American Cars for more treasures from the road. See you next time.